Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here your dietitian Hadika. Today we're gonna discuss about quinoa health benefits and how we use this in our diet. Also side by side I am shared a healthy pancake recipe with all of you. So first you have to click on subscribe button and share with others also. So basically what is quinoa? Quinoa is a cereal like oats, wheat, barley. As we know, cereals contain more carbohydrate and less protein. But here quinoa has enough protein along with carbohydrate than any other cereals and a far better option for non-vegetarian diabetic hypercholesterol patients. Quinoa is a great base for salads as substitute of egg or chicken, also used with chicken, fish gravies. Why boil this and use as roti or rice alternate and make pancakes in a breakfast as healthy option with fruits and nuts. It also used as a flour for roti, pasta and lasagna sheets alternate. It can be cooked properly, otherwise it tastes bitter. Quinoa often described as superfood. It is also gluten-free and is recommended for people who are on gluten-free diet. And it comes in high protein diet also because 1 cup boiled quinoa contains 8 to 9 gram protein, which equals to 1 egg and 2 to 3 chicken peas. Because of protein content, it is also good for athletes and for those who gym or exercise. It used rarely here in Asia, but it has lots of health benefits. Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is a complete protein, which means it contains all of essential amino acids. As amino acid is essential for our muscle, bones, skin and blood, and it provides all essential amino acid that our body can't produce and we have to take it from our diet. It's the best alternative of rice that most people who avoid rice on diet, especially those who want to lose weight and diabetic, PCOS patient, and for those people who use rice on daily basis as in form of boiled or cooked, but they want rice daily, mostly in dinner, so they can use quinoa as an alternate. We know quinoa has a low glycemic index, as if a diabetic patient eat 1 cup white rice, it means patient eat 8 to 9 teaspoons of sugar. So patient try to eat less white rice and try quinoa in place of rice because it didn't increase sudden blood sugar level. So for digestive health, quinoa is a great source of fiber. Fiber can prevent or treat constipation and may lower your risk of intestinal cancers. It also helps you feel full for longer time, so it may help with weight loss. For heart health, maintaining a healthy weight is important for heart. The fiber in quinoa can also help with cholesterol, lowering your risk of heart disease. Those who have iron or B vitamin deficiencies and those who have low energy levels, they also use this. Because quinoa are also good source of folate, iron, vitamin B1, magnesium, zinc, potassium. Half cup of cooked quinoa contains calories 111, protein 4 grams, fat 2 grams, carbohydrate 20 grams, fiber 3 grams, sugar 1 gram. Hope this video finds informative. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.